How to use ThemePack. This is app which combines icons, widgets, wallpaper, themes, and this is one of the top apps in this category. As you can see, it's literally in the top charts. So there's Themify app and ThemePack. This is basically top apps in this category. If you just want to customize themes, widgets, icons via one app, this is your go-to app, I would say. So yeah, let's just go through it. And this app is constantly being updated. There are new widget styles, more aesthetic themes. ThemePack is a free app with aesthetic app icons, awesome wallpapers, and stylish widgets, which helps you customize your home screen and lock screen like never before. If you're bored of your standard font style, with ThemePack you can easily find your favorite widgets, amazing icon packs, and high quality wallpapers. So yeah, let's just open it up, and then you can enable notifications if you want, and then instantly there is a pop-up to upgrade. Then as you can see, it's $15 per month, so it's not a cheap app. If you're using it per month, there is no weekly option as well. So, but then there is yearly option. Okay, so there is a weekly option as well. It's just there is some kind of bug with the numbers. But then yes, there is also like a free option as well. And if you try to use the app like the first time, or you open up a bit, you might get some kind of promotion deal, and then after that you might upgrade to like a bit cheaper option as well. So that can be quite cool. And then here you just have, this is how you see it looks like, wallpaper, icons, the widgets, and then you just have all of these things together. You can also share a link to that, and for example, if you want to install it like that,